Hey, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, TJ.
All right, so today, big news AMTD potential buyout. That is crazy. That is A, amazing for Schwab's, B, bad for every other competitor. So, this is a beautiful arb trade. All you have to do is any pullback you get on other brokerages. So, IB, what's the other ones? What's the other publicly traded ones? We only have IB, ETFC.
Fidelity.
Oh, Fidelity. There we go. Well, Fidelity has asset management too. So I don't think is their brokerage separate from their asset management. I doubt it. Right?
Yeah, I think it's all in one.
All in one. Okay, so that's not going to be a good one. So IB for sure. And ETFC, those are easy shorts. We just gotta short it, and this is more of a long term approach. So and then of course we have to short Schwab's. and then long AMTD. Beautiful trade on this one. Like if you take all the correct legs, you should be good.
Hey TJ, how'd the meeting go yesterday with the interior decorator?
Honestly, went pretty good. Happy. Just the she's making 24,000 off me, so she better be working hard.
How long do you think you're gonna be on today, TJ?
Not long. I gotta go back to the job site and
Okay.
at least I got the tire fixed, so that's good.
Did you put the winters on yet?
Yeah, of course. And take a look at the picture I posted there, upper echelon. I was driving by and I saw that, and I had to stop just to take that picture. It's on the trading chat.
Oh, nice. That's funny. By the way, Nick, your mic is kind of low. Just a heads.
Oh, really? All right.
Yeah.
No, it's fine on my side.
Fiddle around with the settings. See.
Yeah, that's better now. I think you're just a little far from your microphone.
This is good. Goldman Sachs lowered price target on I to $7. It's now trading lower, and that's good. Maybe we can get a nice little dip by
I'm thinking $5 is fair.
$6. $6 I'll go in. 5 I'll add up until like 550s. I mean, fair value on this is actually like 950. 950 would be still a good valuation. Like remember, like as I taught you guys, I'm the guy that's acquiring the company. So what valuation am I gonna give on the company? Someone posted on the trading floor, trading chat. Low, exactly. So I'm looking for the lowest valuation possible. So, from whatever the low valuation is, I'm looking at can I get it even cheaper? And that's what we're looking at on a stock like.
Hey, how are those calls that you sold looking now? Almost at 100%.
Which ones? BYND?
No, how are on you had sold calls on I.
I haven't even opened up TOS yet. I'll let you know.
Okay, everyone, we have 4 minutes to open.
And John, I only have 4 contracts there, so that sucks.
Yeah, I was just wondering if that hit like around 80 or 85% yet.
Yeah, it's around 85%.
That's amazing.
My Nvidia did really good, which I have to cover today because it expires Friday.
Oh yeah, TJ, yesterday, remember how, I don't know if you were on, I had gone long on Roku at like 156. Were you, had you left already?
I don't know which time was it.
Ah man, I don't remember. It was probably like around 11 or so. You had probably already left, but yeah, we took it long. Um, we took it up to like 161, and at one point, Ben Traden came on the call and he had alerted like it started ripping again because it was like ranging off of like 159.50 to 160, and then like 60K appeared on the ask at 160.50. So on the breakdown under 160, I flipped my trade, so I didn't hold it up to my stop, just below 156, and took it all the way down to 153 on the short side from 159.80s. It was the biggest ask that appeared on the day.
Damn, alright, I'll take a look at. And Diago, I like your KRTX pick. I wanted to buy it again yesterday, but didn't see any volume. But hopefully today, because I think overnight they got a price target upgrade, right?
Yeah, man. Looks pretty nice. So,
Alright, that look at that 100. It's beautiful.
yeah, man. Just watch for the spread. But look at that, $50 a share.
I love it when people on Stock Twits tell me what to do.
Man, that KRTX looks so nice.
Yeah, I know. Like that's gonna be a nice dip buy if he actually, if it holds the 100. It's a long. It's a deep long. I'm so glad I didn't buy this yesterday. Honestly, I mean, 80 would be the best entry. 90 would be a nice area to like add. 100, we're right at that breakout level, so it could flip over here.
Yeah, man.
Okay, everyone, we're open. Let's have a great day.
SDRL.
AMD 4030 is one of our
OMTAIV.
support levels.
OPTN. GSX.
5-cent spread on AMD. Wow. Okay, I think we can definitely make money on AMD today, guys. You're gonna try long over 4030 here. I'm just waiting for the 4030 break, and I'll add up to
MTNX.
4020. On the break, I'm gonna go at just market in.
BZUN. SSI.
In Roku, 160.36, over $1 a share.
Yeah, I told you guys to buy it at the 148s. Just hold.
BMY.RT.
But everyone was scared that day that it'll go
NTES.
lower. I don't blame it. Oh, KRTX 98s.
Careful on the spread, guys. Look at that $4 spread right there. Flashed.
Anyone take the long on AMD with me?
All right, spread's getting better. Come on.
HEPA. PRTY, CPRT.
Counting it on Roku.
I think AMD's a good for a long. If the market continues up here, SMH holds. AMD is a
AMTD.
long at this level. I'd say over 40, but you know. What do you think, John? Long or short on your side?
So I'm long. I took a long on that 40-30 break, and I'm holding up to 40 with a. I'll double down at 40, and then I'll keep it really tight, like 5 cents under 40. Then I'll reverse with adds up to 40-30. I like the long, TJ. On Roku, I also like the
BPTH.
long up to 165. So if anyone's in the like Diogo, I think your entry is beautiful, and taking some profits here isn't a bad idea, especially that 163 resistance level. But I see 165 target today.
TNXP.
Yeah, trying to get that one.
Guys, watch I over here. Sorry
Watch
to cut
AMTD.
you off. I.
AMTD is knifing. Super knives.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
TSGC.
The deal is for $48 a share, not 50s.
Yep. I just took a starter short.
I took some on I, just to see if we can, get somewhere.
I have a 49.90 short on AMTD. I'll leave room up to 50-50.
If you don't hold 650s, I'm getting out and I'll buy it again at $6.
MGNX.
Oh yeah, Diane posted that I got a downgrade or price target change to 7 from 22
NTES.
from Goldman.
AMD knife. I wasn't even able to double down.
WAFU.
I haven't cut it yet. I'll cut it at 39.90. I'm about to double down. I still haven't gotten it.
That's my last ad on I. If it doesn't work out here and if we don't go over 650, I'm gonna get out. If we do, I'll stay in it. Guys, just let my Roku breathe a bit. It's going to go to $200 a share. So don't worry.
AMTD still coming down here. On the 49.60, they just pulled 61 on AMTD. On the 61 break and 60 break, I think it's going to knife down even harder here on AMTD.
SUNW.
60 is trying to hold. There's the knife.
48. It has to go to 48. If this deal is
AMKR.
if this is why people are buying it, everyone's gonna sell over this level. It makes no sense to buy it here.
Yeah, I've cut my AMD long, guys.
LZB.
Oh, AMTD 49. That there's the super knife. Okay, I just took some profits here. 49.
Why? We know 48s are coming. 48 is the value right now, guys, on AMTD. That's where, if they bought it out, they're buying it out for $48 a share.
Yeah, I like the bounce here, and then I'd prefer to add some more at like a higher price. The volume's pretty healthy here for a little bounce. I wasn't liking the spread either, and then the spread got reduced like 2 pennies there on AMTD. So just a partial cover there, TJ.
NVIV. Val.
Oh yeah, AMD is freaking beautiful. 48.60s here, 48.50s.
Wow, KRTX went to 88.30s. 88.
Damn
Looks
it,
like
I missed that entry on it. Oh well.
Yeah, man. You called it.
okay, I'm gonna try long on AMD on the 40 break here. Okay, I just got 40.04.
I took the AMD long with
MTEN.
you.
Okay, great. So on this one, TJ, I don't want to add. I'm just gonna keep it tight, just 10 cents. It's really volatile, and I never see
ONTX.
more than a penny spread on AMD, and there's huge spreads today: 2 pennies, 5 pennies, 4. So I think we're gonna keep knifing here. I'm gonna reverse under
Teva.
39.90, TJ. Okay, I did it here.
SCHW.
39.89. I like the short side of it a little bit more now, under 40, TJ, since we have that long over 40 short under. We have support at 39.80 and 39.75
AMTD.
and 39.60. So it does have some good support levels here, but the selling pressure is insane. I think we can. I think we should focus on the short side of this today, TJ.
Which one?
On AMD.
I'm buying it for this. It's like if it holds 40, it could continue, but yeah, don't like it. Gotta close some positions. Be right back.
Cub.
AMTD touched that 48.11, so beautiful target there by TJ, and it worked out really nicely.
Roku up for another push over
TNAV.
162.50. And I'm in.
Do you close your long?
Yeah, I locked in up there, 162.70s and just picked it back up.
Yeah,
Pretty
try
decent
and
size.
Okay.
hold partial, because like your entry is from 160, right? So there's no need to close it if you're gonna re-enter long. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you just take partial and add back that partial that you took off instead of closing and reopening. But yeah, looks like a healthy bullish candle, but that 163 is holding
LB.
nice. Yeah, just double down on my short on AMD.
Ooh, take a look at Nvidia finally moving up here. Sold the Nvidia puts, so that was good.
TJ, I think you can take some profits here, up to 40.40. Huge spreads here. That's gonna be my final cut, 40.40. The volatility on AMD is amazing, everyone. Consider taking a starter. 40.30 is our key level, so you can try long over short.
Come on, don't go down now.
One more double down here on AMD, and I have a hard stop now set, 40.42.
AQMS. PRQR.
Okay, my new average 40.21, so let's see what happens here.
Chem.
Roku has 30K on the ask, 163.
PFGC.
It
Sono.
looks like they pulled it.
Killed it.
GGB.
They didn't eat it, they pulled it. Unless you see all that volume, I don't see it. which means I think it's going to come down hard under 163. I'm going to take a starter short on Roku. I'll leave up to 163.50. Targets
NBIV.
162, then 161 and 160.50, 160.25, and 160. Oh, there's the knife. Oh man. Yeah, I locked in some profits at 162.28. Wow, it's gonna get pulled at 162.
Ooh, AMTD just broke the 48.
Oh, amazing! Thank you for the alert there. Now that we broke under that key 48 level, I think we should look for like 45 with continuation on the volume side.
I think it's a long.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Look at VWAP.
Ping.
I think it's along around 42, 43.
That makes no sense. The offer is cheap, is better. Every investor will be like, okay, I'm gonna the deal's going to happen if it hits 42. I mean, everyone's already in this. Everyone's probably profiting. Let's take a look at the daily chart. No, most people lost money. Actually, no. Anyone who bought it this year, not too bad.
I could just see some profit taking, you know, like just one of the plays. I know this is a fundamental play, TJ, and 48s are key number. I'm just talking about like trading it down to the gap level.
How? It doesn't make sense to trade it down to a gap when they gave the pricing already.
SSI. BZUN.
Yeah, like 47 I can see. 43, I doubt it.
Okay, well, I think it's going to hit 42 today, just on technicals, but fundamentals, like 47 should hold.
ONTX.
The volume's
Yeah, I know, because everyone's recycling shares around. Everybody made money. Take a look at the institutional ownership on this. TD Securities owns like half the stock.
right. So then why
They sold into it because if the deal is for $48 and the stock is trading at 52, what do? You sell. You're getting a better price than the deal, which is probably going to take like a year to close.
Right, and this was trading at 40 yesterday, right?
But the deal on the table is for 48 today.
Right. Okay.
You guys still on AMTD?
Sorry?
Are you guys still on AMTD?
No, not. I sold it on right before earnings.
I'm short on it from 49 like 90s.
Yeah, man. Good shit. That's what I was gonna say. Because I knew somebody shorted it. Yeah, I get on 49.22. Locked in 48.50.
So TJ, is it confirmed? Bio?
P2H.
I don't know. I just read
Because
the
I
same
thought it
news
was a
as you did.
rumor. Well, I read that it's a rumor, and that CNBC reported it. So I didn't read that either of the companies came out and announced it.
Look how it was trading ever since that drop. The market knew this was coming. The deal was already on the table. Everyone knew it, except for us.
OCGN.
Roku tanking.
The real question is,
BPTH.
are they going to accept the deal? That's a tough. I think they might, because then TD Securities has some, some leverage with Schwab, so that might be a good thing.
I just took some more off the Roku short.
Good time in there.
AQMS.
Tesla just rejected 359. Tesla's looking good.
GSX.
Roku looks like it's about to knife again
Alt.
here on this 162 fill.
I think we should short Schwab's, though.
What did you say earlier today, TJ? On the
Yeah, short Schwab, long AMTD, and then short E-Trade and IB.
okay, thank you. I wasn't sure if I misheard you before.
Is it a coincidence that Schwab is trading at $48 too?
Just a coincidence. I mean, it's like this. Like, the one thing about ARBs is it good for the company? Yeah, it's amazing for Schwab's if they actually go through with that.
TJ, your AMD is at 4050s here. If you want to take some off. SMH looks like it's going to reject here as well.
Roku's got to push up.
Yeah, Roku rejected that 162
Yeah.
here twice. It looks like triple tops. Let's see if we break that view up. I'm going to try one more on AMD here, short. There's the launch on Roku. They gotta close this over view up here.
XXII.
All right, I took half off of AMD here, just holding the other half.
All right, cool. Yeah, 4075 is a good resistance level. Man, Roku hard
AMTD.
rejection there. I'm gonna add. Yeah, I'm gonna add.
Ping. Gen.
Tesla, that rejection off
ONTX.
359 back down to 359, 356.50s. View up here. I wanted to try double down at 4075 on AMD, but didn't reach there, so I'm just back below my entry here, which is good. I've already taken a couple losses here on AMD. Kind of a weird start for my AMD day trades. So I tried going long and went heavy against me. I tried going short with double downs, got stopped out, and tried going short again. Didn't stop out this time. The
SILV.
stop out was 4075, which is our key level today, and also the watch list level. And yeah, back down below my entry. So I want to lock in some gains over under 4050 to just to recover some of the profits and just add back higher. 4050 is a good support level. So we got 4050, 4030, and 40.
Told you guys to buy I with me. I'm locked and loaded. I got 20,000 shares on that thing, so 22.
Oh, Roku knife. Oh man, Roku knife to 50 MA. Roku's knifing. $161's key here.
BZUN.
Goldman Sachs likes to do that when they want to buy a stock. Remember, they're the same company that downgraded AMD at $8.
Wow. They downgraded it and I upgraded it. When was that? Was that back in like 2018?
2017, I think, when they bought it. Back in February, they took like I don't know, I want to say like 3 million shares or 30 million, one of the two. Or it could even be 300 million, who knows. It's something to do with shares, and then I think they bought it at like 12, and then they kept downgrading it, and then reiterating the downgrade.
SDRL.
Watch AMTD here. AMTD approaching low of day, 4740s. And thanks for that, TJ. I didn't know. Roku, healthy bounce here off the 100 EMA. 160.61. I gave the 160.50 target, guys. And we just went 10 cents above it from 163. Wish I got that ad there, though.
LB. SY.
Yeah, you see that, John? I'm done. That's all I needed to trade today.
NVIV. IPWR. AMKR.
Matt, I don't even remember the last time I took this many losses on AMD, but TJ, that scale was beautiful. We're down 40-30s here. I want to see 40-30 break. On the 40-40 push back over, I'll take some profits. On the 40-30 breakdown under, I'm going to add to the Okay, I just took some off here, half my position, 40-42. Just a quick 16-cent lock-in gain. So I held it 12 cents against me, so just over 1-to-1 here. I think we're going to go down to 40-20s here, guys. 40-30 for sure. I think 40-20s. The selling pressure is insane here on AMD. And now we've reduced from those big spreads down to penny spread. So now the price action will be a lot easier to play. So yeah, TJ, well done, man. That was like, you couldn't ask for a better long, and you couldn't ask for a better exit. That was.
Yeah, and I'm trying to hold the other one because if we stay over 40, AMD could run. So just waiting on that. And I am gonna take some off over here, guys, before the.
Oh, Roku knife to 160, man. Amazing. Yo, all the price targets hit there based on the TA guy. I missed the partial at 160, though. I'm kind of sad. 200 EMA there. Diogo, are you still bag holding, or are you? Did you reverse? What'd you do? Did you stop out? Oh, it looks like he left the call. He probably just had to go to work. It's 10 o'clock now.
Dale.
AMTD, $47 low of day. AMD 40-30 target met. Tesla bearish consolidation here into a gap on the up on the consolidation here from the previous minute. We're about to get an A cross under VWAP here. Look for a bounce here. 359 target on Tesla here. So if you want to try, if anyone wants to try a long here, I'm going to try it 357.08 long here. It looks like at the middle of the range, but I think we can hold it up to 356. We have massive support down there, so I'm going to take a starter long with the idea of a double down at 356 and cut it right under like 355.80. Roku under 160. Amazing. We have a hidden ask. There's the knife.
Eva.
Oh my, it's knifing, guys. It's knifing 159. Okay, I just took partial 159.50 here. Holy, wow, this is amazing. Okay, I have 100 shares left on Roku, so I'm just gonna let this play out. My entry is 162.90 or like 162. 162.83. Wow, it's at 159 here.
PK.
Yo, TJ, that sure was insane. That was amazing. It's under 159, man. It's still knifing. TJ, can I get your thoughts on the chart here, please? I really appreciate it. AMD still coming down. Next target 4020. Oh my goodness.
BZUN.
Okay, I need to look. Okay, I need some help here actually, just to get this going a little faster. I'd like some help on finding some of the support levels below here. So I already know 158 is a support level, 157, 156, 155, 154. Like these are all support levels on Roku. My key support level on Roku is 155.50.
ONTX.
So if we can get under 158 down to 157, and then under 156, 155.50 has to hold for me to stay bearish on this.
XXII.
Well, you see 160.25 rejecting here. This was my key level yesterday. They just rejected again. AMD freaking tanked. Amazing 40.05. AMTD healthy bounce off 47 low of day. Back up to 20 MA here.
OPTN.
Let's see how they close it. Looks like they're closing it just below 20. Yeah, they close below 20, open above the candle, and it looks like we're about to engulf this. Looking for $47 here on AMTD. AMD 4009. The selling pressure is increasing here. I really want to. I'm gonna add here, guys. It's 50 cents below my entry, and I've already taken profits at 40.42 for those 16 cents. I just did a one-to-one add here. Okay, new average is 40.34, which I'm also liking since it's right above our resistance level. AMTD back into the 48 level here. Okay, on the next Roku 160.50 break, I'm gonna add to the short. This gap on the candle is nice too. 50 MA rejection here. And looks like I hit an ask here. Get ready for the bids to get pulled here under 160.60. Right when 160.60 fails. Oh, I missed it. I didn't get it. Damn. Let's see if I can get 50 or something. Okay, I got 48. I just got 48 there.
HEXO AIMT YEXT BBCP
Hey, and you average 161.70. Okay, I just did one more ad here, just a one-to-one on AMD. I have a 40-30 average, and I'll cut it over 40-40. I want to risk up to 40-50, but I think it's a lot more bullish over 40-40 at this point here, based on my chart setup and what I'm seeing. It's not good. SMH going up, AMD coming down. So I'm focusing on SMH here. If SMH starts coming down here, I think the reaction on AMD is going to be a lot more bearish, like knives. So let's see this 200 EMA reject. Roku 160.30s needs to break that 160.25 here again.
BOXL KIN
Roku launched 161. Let's see if it breaks. Had big buying pressure at 161. Took out a hit and ask. They're going to try here for a push. I'm going to add to the short on this 161.20 rejection. I like the short a lot more here now. I just want to see 161.20 test and reject first before adding to this one again. Oh, man. It's coming down. 160.55 hidden bid just got pulled. 53 hidden bid as well. Actually, I got moved from 55 to 53 with a bid prop here at 66. And I think here they pull the bids. Give it 1 second here.
BZUN
Yeah, they pulled
GSX
them there from 68. 60 held on nothing with a gap on the up from the minute candle. Still rejecting our trend here. Okay, I just added 160.81. Right on that bid prop fill, I just added. New average 161.40. Sorry, 161.20.
ONTX.
On this, I'll leave it up to 161.50 and literally just close it out.
ENXP.
And we got some reductions here on the ask. They're trying to hold it up here in the 160s, 70s, and 80s, but I don't know. It's not looking as good anymore. We just got back to neutral on a Roku RSI, but we're rejecting this RSI breakout here as well. They've used a lot of volume here, guys. I think it's going to melt. A lot of bullish volume, I mean. So yeah, just get ready for the melt. They were about to melt 160.70, and they just bid propped it up here 30 cents a share. Okay, one more ad here on AMD for the break back down to 40.20 and 40. Again, stop loss is just over 40.40 here, so. Hope you guys like that Tesla
IDRA.
long idea up to 356.
EQA.
AMD knifed, beautiful. I'm so happy I just added there. Literally saw a couple of things pop up, and I'm like, yeah, this looks beautiful. So just got that ad and just came down 15 cents a share here from the within 30 seconds. SPY looks like it's about to knife as well. Roku's melting. Roku's melting. 160.25 must hold here. It has a stack as well. If they don't hold it, I'm just looking at the tape here. I want to see them pull it. If they pull it, it's going to go under 160. Oh, AMD knifed so hard. Oh, this is beautiful. 40.10s here. 40.10 about to get pulled. 40.10 pulled. On the break back over 40.10, I'll take some profits here. Okay, I just took 40.11 here. Oh man, this is beautiful. Roku knifing, AMD knifing, SPY trying to hold. Watch the 160 breakdown here. 160, 200 EMA here.
WAFU.
Wow, CGC, what a beautiful retracement. This was at like 15 bucks. This was at like 14 bucks a few days ago. It's back to 20. That's insane. Okay, so CGC idea long over 20 short under here. AMD just got rejected hard. AMD bid, it was higher than the ask here. This is gonna knife. Guys, watch AMD. It's about to knife so hard under what AMD's knifing. Roku's knifing. Spy just knifed. I called it. Yo, holy. Okay, I gotta take a break, guys. I'm going crazy here. I'm losing my mind. Yo, 130K on the ask. 130K on the ask. On AMD, 130K on the ask. Okay, 120K on the ask.
SPWR. ONTX.
WAFU. WAFU. Pretty cool volatility here. I wouldn't be trying to long this, guys. I would just analyze this one, watch it. It's up 300%. So, like, why are you going to buy it when it's up 300%? So let's take a look at the news. The news. Wafu enters partnership agreement with Chengdu. Oh, it's a Chinese company? Wafu? Can we short it? Can someone check to see if this has shorts? Yeah, Wafu is for me, you guys. Wafu is like add up to like $10 on the short side. Let's double check the flow. Pretty sure this is an ADR. Let's see. Yeah, this company is trash. Institutions own nothing. Insiders doesn't even show. Yeah, I would say if you want to try shorting it, leave room to add up to $10. The flow to the micro. Roku's still knifing here, everyone. Man, this is insane. Tesla held that 356 idea, 100 EMA idea, ripping to 357.50s here. Touch my top Bollinger Band. I'm looking for a 359 extension here. I still have my trade open here on Tesla.
TCO. EVFM. XXII.
I'm still not looking to take any profits. Now that AMD is under 40, I don't have a reason to take anything off anymore. I'll have a reason to take some off at 39.50, which is a key support level. 39.90 is also a key support level. It rejected a lot of times when it tried breaking over 40. But now that we're about to, yeah, I think we're gonna go down to. Give me 1 second, everyone. I don't know. Like I'm thinking like $39. I think if 39.50 breaks, we're gonna hit $39 today on AMD.
GSX.
I only have a reason to take something off over that 40, like where I took some off last time before I added that 40.11. So over 40.11, yeah, I'll take something off again, but until then, I have no reason to. Up until 39.50, then I'll have a reason to. AMTD 50 EMA here. I'm gonna add to my AMTD short here, just the 1-to-1, what I took off. Okay, my new average on AMTD is 49.10. AMD 39.90 needs to hold this for the bulls. AMD SMH failing here as well. Roku back up over 160.50. This is hitting trend resistance again here. This needs to launch to 160.150, or I'm going to add to Roku again. I'm giving it 15 seconds here. Actually, let's give it another minute and 15. Let's give it until the 5-minute close. Though I think the knife down will happen before then anyway, but I'll just sit on my hands here. It's okay. Average still 161.20. They have a minute here to launch it. I think they will launch it to save Roku, but I don't know. I see more downside potential here. So if I was a big market maker, I'd be looking to trap all the retail here to take it down to like 159s again, 158s. I don't see a need to take it up to 160.150. It looks like it's yeah, VWAP's like controlling everything here too. So 160.150 will be able to build support on VWAP. Otherwise, keep looking for those shorts. Long over 160 is critical level 2, but we've seen today that 160 hasn't really been holding. Tested a couple times, but it just failed every time. So it's holding more as acting resistance actually than acting support.
RTRX.
Okay, 5 seconds here. Okay, they closed it over that trend resistance. Let's see if they push it. Give it like 10 more seconds here, and then I'll add. Or the 160.50 break. Okay, just added 45. They turned a healthy bullish, normal healthy bullish into a just like a
XXII.
normal candle, just like pretty even normal, like a weak normal. And now it's turning into a healthy bearish candle, engulfing less volume, multiple market makers on the ask. So yeah, they need a lot. They need a big buyer to step up here. We got MACD cross that happened a few minutes ago, but we have bearish RSI divergence here, all in the average isn't that good anymore. It's like right here, 160.83. So I've made so much on Roku today, I don't mind giving it some room. I'll just add more up at like 160.150s, but 160.150 is gonna be my final, even though 162 is a key level. Over 160.150, just like 160.50, over these two levels, I like it more bullish. Watch Roku knife here. Oh, it's knifing. Yo, watch the knife. Watch the knife. Get ready for a bigger knife here. They're about to pull everything off the bids. If 160.50 doesn't hold here, they're going to pull it down to 160. 160.50 trying to hold. Okay, it failed. It looks like they pulled it as well. They didn't even eat it.
RDNT.
Yeah, it's not looking good, guys. Like again, 161.50 needs to launch. Just look at the 5-minute chart. I'm just yelling at me short. It's like, Johnny, short me. Oh yeah, here we go. Buyers are not here. I want to see reduction on the ask. Spread reduction, I mean. 3K on the ask, 70. Okay, spread reduction on the ask here. And watch multiple market makers here, 160.46. They'll get moved to 164. Oh, yeah, there's 39, 40.
TNXP.
And they pulled it. There's the knife. GG. Three K on the ask, 160.31. Hidden bid, 160.20. Watch the knife. Spread reduction, 5 cent spread here now. I'll take some off here on this 160.40 breakover if they get it. AMTD VWAP retracement here. Roku knife. Oh my god, Roku 159.70s here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wafu. Back down to $4. So short it at the 5 level, leave room to add up to 6. Easily a short, guys. Trash coming in. I want to buy it. Actually, I'll never buy Wafu. I'll short it down to like a penny. I think that's good.
SDRL.
Guys, guys, D guys and you guys, look at that. AMD starting to fail here. Watch AMD heavy selling price.
AQMS. STNE.
I just added to my Roku short again, guys. I know it's over 160 here, but I don't like it under 161. So hidden bid 160.24. 7K on the. Oh, they just ate all that. Someone just bid prop like 8,000 shares there, and it looks like they were trying to eat it and they pulled the rest of it. 14K on the ask 160.40. Still liking this 160.40 level I had mentioned earlier for a partial. Focus on the tape here at 160.40. We need to see these fill. If they fill, it's good for the bullish move. If they pulled it, they didn't even. Oh no, they ate it. 12,800 shares. 12,870. 160.40. I'm gonna reverse over 161. And leave room to add up to 160.50. Hopefully I won't have to reverse this because I like the short side of this more, but I'm just going to be reducing the exposure here on the bullish move. It's holding my trends here, so they have to hold it here for the bulls. 160.50 must hold here. 10K on the ask, 160.70. They pulled 160.50. I don't see any fills there at 160.50. Oh, yo, they just tanked it. They just
SITM.
tanked it. Now they're back under the trend acting resistance. Yeah, this isn't too good here anymore. Well, it's all good. Good thing it didn't break 161. Yeah, I expect it under 150. I expect under 159.50 here. Actually, I'm thinking we're gonna test. Sorry guys, one sec. 159.50. RSI divergence into a MACD failed cross. I think we'll get this into a gap, into failed trend breakout. Let's see. 160. One more second. Oh yeah, this just the range, guys. The range is just ended here. We're gonna form a new range. So literally here in these next few minutes, we're gonna find a new trend. So it's gonna be developing a new trend here. I'm thinking still downwards under 160. It looks healthy enough, but again, that 161 push, I think will develop a new trend upward. Get ready for the knife here to 159.50. Roku knifing 160 has 5K. It's not even gonna test. Yeah, I didn't even test. They fucking folded that. This is amazing. Get ready. This 200 yen. Yeah, I think obviously 160 is okay for a cover here, but like a partial cover. But I still think 159.50. I don't want to take anything off until either 161 or 159.50. And at 161, it's going to be an exit and reverse.
Gas.
Guys, AMD, yo, AMD 3970s. Roku rejected that 160 70 breakout. That 160.70 was resist, or 160.80 breakout. Let's see if they get it this time.
NLTX.
It freaking launched. If the bid hits 161, I'll do the reverse. Until that bid hits 161, I'm not reversing this.
EVFM.
That was a VWAP push off 200 EMA. Trying to save it, but I don't know. Like again, like I said, they're gonna form a new range here. That was the end of the top and bottom ranges. So yeah, I think 160. Actually, you know what? Now that it has ended, it does look really, really good for a long. But again, that 161 bid needs to like. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now I'll take the long here, guys. Okay, I got it. 161.20s. Okay, target is 161.50, 162, 163. Leave room to add on this one again. Like it is, I like it bearish, but I like it more
XXII.
bullish over 161. So on this one, I'm going to leave room to add only 20. So unless this ask hits 161.80, then I don't mind what I lose on the bid side, because I've made a really, really good amount, and I'm just sticking with my trade idea here. So I'm long on Roku now, everyone, and the idea is an add up to 161.80. But even though I want to add up to 161.50 or 160.50, and it's a key level, every time it's been going there, it just knifes every time. So let's see if this reversal works out. 161.50 is key here as well. Not bad on that analysis. Really, really happy here with this. At 161, 161.40, we have an iceberg here.
Kin.
It looks healthy here for the bounce.